Greetings from TecAlliance India. TecAlliance helps Indian e-commerce companies, marketplaces, and entrepreneurs to run their automobile spare part business online through our WebService and WebShop solution. Everything starts when the part manufacturer decides to become a part of the TecDoc ecosystem and publish their data in the TecDoc catalog. Let's see how TecAlliance, through these solutions, help part manufacturers gain maximum visibility for their product once their data is published in TecDoc. Once part manufacturers publish their data in TecDoc and give their consent to make their data available for traders through Web API, TecDoc data can power their e-commerce stores. There are only two things that are very important to run a successful auto spare parts e-commerce business: regularly updated and precise vehicle data for the market, and correctly mapped spare part data for those vehicles. TecAlliance supports the part manufacturers with their vehicle data and facilitates them with tools and infrastructure to map the parts of these vehicles and publish them in the TecDoc catalog. Data distribution is the key benefit of becoming a part of the TecDoc catalog. E-commerce companies can take TecDoc data and operate their spare part business across the country. WebService allows data from TecDoc catalogs to be streamed through Web API. Shop owners can have their URL, host the site themselves, and customize the user interface as they wish. And only the data from TecDoc will drive the shop. WebService facilitates both B2B and B2C scenarios. Here are a few examples of our customized WebService solution. When the trader or part manufacturer wants their e-commerce shop only for their user group, they can opt for the WebShop option. The entire shop is inbuilt and they will have a user interface of the TecDoc catalog. They can integrate their ERP to display the stock and price and run the shop at ease without building a site from scratch. This solution is ideal for B2B scenarios. They can upload the part data along with part numbers, availability, quantity, and price. They can upload in a CSV format to the interface or simply connect their ERP system in the backend to pull this information and run the shop without much hassle. Owners of the online shop can customize the look, post offers, share contact information, add users, and manage the backend of the shop with the help of the admin tool provided by TecDoc.